Blessing y'all. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all subscribe. Send me some more videos in the comment section below. Let's get it though. We ain't finna waste no time, y'all. Last to leave vending machine wins $10,000. Sound pretty fair to me. If you gotta use a bathroom, you might have to piss on yourself. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Alright, goodbye.
You might have to. For the 10 bands. I'll wet my pants for 10 bands. Wash your clothes after.
So we have a big picture of a donkey right here. We're gonna play spin the tail on the donkey. Put the blindfold on. We're gonna spin you 10 times. 1, 2, 3,
So who's the donkey?
9, 10.
That's a donkkie for real. You better not. You better not put that on that donkey.
Huh?
I'm running.
Don't. Okay. I thought it was one of them other ones that had the sticky thorn thing. If you would have stuck that donkey, it would have kicked the crap out of you. She would have flew across the whole street. But anyways, hey, how do you get a donkey? What the heck? Where you get a donkey from? California, bro. Only in California, bro. You got a whole real life donkey in front of their house. They brought a donkey to your house. Think about that. You walk outside, there's a donkey out there. It's a pony, it's a horse out there. How would you feel? Like, what is it, Disney World?
I'm like, I don't even know what I'm
Like,
supposed to do.
3, 4, 9, and 10.
He like, oh.
What is that, bro? Oh, there's something in front of me.
Donkey.
There's something in front of me that wasn't there.
It's a donkey.
I'm just so confused on how there's a donkey.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
3 and 10.
I get it right on the tail.
Uh-oh.
I can feel the wall. What is this?
This was not.
Oh my god! It's actually a donkey. Where did you get a donkey from, Brent? I literally ran and I was like, what is this? Yeah, it looks just like the picture.
Yeah.
It's the one in the picture. Yeah. Okay, so Andrew, I don't know if you know.
That's a nice looking
there are
donkey.
pictures of you on the internet going viral right now. I'm talking like thousands of likes on these pictures. Your feet are going viral online.
You're on Tumblr, and you're literally the first one under the category of famous male feet. All over Instagram.
No.
You never searched Andrew Devilla feet online? You should. You're gonna be creeped out. Have you considered being a foot?
Are you serious? People do this?
Look at me, bruh.
And it doesn't stop there.
Oh my god.
How did it?
Get a picture of it. My feet do look pretty nice. Bruh. Wait, you see him in person? Yeah, can we? Wait,
I know with the mouth.
Oh!
So what does that mean?
I'm on top of the stairs, and I'm gonna end up down there.
I don't even get it.
You know that, right?
Alright, yeah, give me a push, Andrew.
Oh, so fun.
That actually looks fun.
Yeah. So fun.
This is round 2.
And they put the little cushions on the side so you can put holes in the wall for the border, like a normal slide. That's fun. Oh. That's a new way to come downstairs. Like, you have a slide in your house, and then you get downstairs, you slide. Oh, that's fire. I would do that. Build a slide. You got one side of the stairs, the other side of the slide. So the kids want to come down the slide, instead of going down the stairs, slide down like that. That sounds nice.
Alright, so Drew.
Instead of having an elevator, have a
I'll
slide.
give you $500
That's so
right
cool.
now, but you have to spin the wheel of piercings. Shut up. Yeah. Nipple belly button? Yeah. What are these? You want the $500? Yeah.
Y'all gotta stop doing anything for money, bro. It ain't worth it.
Are you?
What that mean?
What do you think your parents are gonna think? They're probably not gonna be excited to see it, but I'll surprise them with it. Ready? Go. Oh my god! I get sucked into it. Dude, that's almost worth it. Now I have a piercing. But I'm saying I got one. Right now, real place.
I felt that dude scream, bro. No, that's the worst. That's the one that everybody, between that and, yeah. That's pain, bro. What the heck? You crazy?
Last week, the vending machine.
I wouldn't even trust somebody to do that. He got 3 of them now.
Really nice for you to go into.
I'm taking the middle one.
Can I have this one?
Hey, you have that one?
You guys got the good snack. This is not comfortable.
Alright, good.
Of course, Lexi. You guys got the good snacks. Of course, Lexi. You love the snacks. We know.
Bye. Lexi, how do you feel?
See, they can stay in. They got food up top and stuff.
Oh.
Comfortable. Yeah, she's good.
Real challenges and we'll be spinning. Alright, Lexi, we're gonna start with you. Alright, you're spinning. Hot chips. In your vending machine, there are hot chips. Grab them and eat one of them. These are literally ghost pepper chips. Go ahead and take a bite. How is it? Do you want to eat out, Lexi? Okay. Ben, are you ready to spin the wheel? And blankets. Now he gets to take a nap?
I guess we get pillows and blankets. Let's go.
How's he in there? So big.
Alright, Lexi, are you ready to spin?
No.
Ice packs. Oh, this is about a refrigerator. How cold is it in there? Okay, Lexi, it's your turn to spin.
She got a jacket on. It's fair. She probably feel good. Ice, good for the oxygen, good for the air. She gonna be good.
Yes.
Wonder who gonna lose first. Who y'all think gonna lose first, y'all?
Oh my god. Okay, Lexi, we're gonna put dog.
Lexi's out. She's not gonna stand that long with no doggy poop. Look at you. Yo, it's over with.
Inside your vending machine. Here we go. I'm sorry. There you go. Oh.
I told you it's over with. It's over with. She's gonna get out. It's over with.
Lexi, you are officially out.
What was I supposed to do? Stay in there with dog
Dog.
food?
Yeah.
Sour candy.
Just go outside after.
B7.
Sour candy? Let's see.
Open it up and pour all of them in your mouth at one time.
Dang. Your stomach gonna be messed up. Dang. Ew.
You don't want to get
No, you ain't supposed to be eating no candy like that.
Okay, alright, so
You're gonna be
Lexi,
sick.
Your turn. Oh,
Raw fish.
We have the raw
Sushi, right?
fish.
No!
It's
No!
It smells so bad. My eyeball is staring at me.
Oh yeah, they cut that fish head off, bro. You got the fish heads a little bit. What the?
crickets. Oh,
Crickets?
alright, so these are live crickets.
Now it's time to pour them in.
They gonna be jumping. Oh my gosh. I told you. He jumped on him. Yeah, he out. He out. It's over with. I knew it. I knew it. A lot of people that can't take nature, which is so crazy. I'm telling y'all, when that power go out and all y'all gotta be out of nature, I'm gonna see how y'all act. A lot of y'all going don't be scared. The crickets ain't gonna bother you, bro. They just trying to touch you, just like you're trying to see what you is. Like, we ain't seen you in a long time. Y'all been in the house. What are you? This is what they call humans. You see what I'm saying? We got to go back to that. And we're very far away from that. Anyway, see y'all in the next video. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.